Hello again. Last time we had some work that we did with our forms, and we were using this form view. So now we will take it a little further, and we will use a model form. Let me just check what's happening in this URLs. So I don't need this. I can remove it, or I can do a git checkout dot, so to reverse back to the origin, to the master state. So let's see get slashes. Okay, if I click here, this file will change. Okay, very good. So now I want to use the model form. So to do that, I will come here and we will use something called a model form. So movie form would be a model form instead of form. Okay, and then I can change here and import a model form instead of form. Okay, and then for the model form, we will define something called class meta, and in this class meta we can define things from our like fields from our like model, and also other things, but in this case we'll just like define the model we are using, which is the model movie, of course, and I need to import that one as well. So here I would say movie. Okay, and then for the and then what do I use now anyway? I'm not sure. No. Okay, never mind about that. And then for the fields, I'm just gonna write all, which means I want my form to include all the fields of the model movie. Okay, so the fields of the model movie are here: title, genre, rating, release, description, and created. So here, so title, genre, rating, release, description, all of those. I don't like need to bring all of them, but I would like to have some things. For example, title here, I don't need to already find that its max length is 128. It's already coming from the model here, but I would like to keep the validators, so I'm going to remove this. The genre, I don't need it, so it automatically comes now from this class meta, because I defined model is the movie. The rating, I know it's an integer field, but I would like to keep defining the max max and min value. And in the released, I want still to have this past date field as the released. So these are these cases here. Description, I don't need it. It comes automatically from the model movie. Okay. So now the clean description and the clean will stay the same, and yes, that should be enough. Okay, let's see if I need to add something. No, I think that's good. And then alright, so now when I go to the view, I can change the bit. So here, instead of having this create view like this with the form valid in which you have to define what like how to create an object and everything, I can just come here and remove all of this, and then I would define the movie instead of having I don't need a template view right now, so I can use that. I can remove that. What I need is a list view, and I need a movie. I need a create view. That's what I need, create view. So when you're working with the model, you can use a create view. So for movie create view, let's call it movie create view, it's better. And then here I would say create view, and then it needs like not as much parameters as before. So template name is where is it? It's form.html. So that's the template name, form.html. That's the template where I want to have this create view, and then form class is going to be movie form, of course, and then success URL is a reverse lazy. So if the creation goes well, we reverse to let's say to movie create, or which one I would like to reverse to. Let's see here. Not this one. So this one would be movie create view. Okay, we can reverse back to movie create, no problem. So if it's access, I stay in the same place. So movie create. Where is it? Movie. No, sorry. Here in the views.py. So success URL would be in movie create. Okay, good. And now, if the form, I would like to add one little thing. Is just 1 second. I need to find it. And here. Yes, if the form is valid, I want to add the message, just like for that tells me that there has been correct like creation of the movie. So it would be just this code. So result here, and then it would be movie. So we just like said messages dot success, which means I want to have a success message. Self dot request. Self dot request, and then I can just like correct the message movie added successfully. Okay. And what's wrong here? Success, like this, and then I just return the result. Okay, so all that is good. And then in case if it's invalid for whatever reason, I can just keep the same message as before. So user provided invalid data, and I put that as a warning, and there is a logger here. So all that is good. So let's go and try if this is working or not. So Python manage.py run server. Ooh, something is wrong. Run server, not server. This is the code. Let's go back. So new movie. Add here some pictures. I will show you later what I did. So new movie. Let's add a movie. Now best movies of 2005, for example. These are some movies I recognize. Oh my god, I don't recognize any of them. Okay, V for Vendetta. Alright, V for Vendetta. V for Vendetta. Okay, genre, what I don't know what the hell should it be. Action maybe. Rating, let's give it 7. Released, let's say 2005, 10, 13. Description, Guy Fawkes, that was the name. Guy Fawkes. I think that's its duration, I'm not sure. Okay, add movie. It says movie added successfully. And now in the home, I should be able to find V for Vendetta is here. Okay, everything is good. So now we can do a little more with the model forms. So just like to recapitulate, so a model form is a form that inherits from this model form and uses, like in this class meta, you define what model you are using. So automatically here the form and the view knows what model you are working with. So when it's valid, it automatically like creates a new object in the database, a new object in model, and then it saves to the database. So it makes your life a little easier. There is less coding than compared to what we had before. So you can, with this model form, you can have like all the CRUD operations. So CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. So we can make a form for creating, a form for deleting, a form for updating, and a form for reading. So the read one, we have this no, I'm sorry, we can have a view for creating, a view for reading, a view for updating, and a view for deleting, not a form. We have only one form. It's this one here, the model form, that is working for us. Alright, so let's go and try to have an update view now. So if we have a movie and we want to update it, so what should we do? So I will collapse these here so they don't get in the way, and we do some work now. So in this line I'm going to define a new class, call it movie update view, and it inherits from a class called update view from okay, so I will need to bring this to my here update view. This view, I don't need this from view, Django dot views, import view. So yeah, I don't need it right now. I needed it before. So render, I don't need it also right now. It was in the older version of the code. So update view, and here what do we have? So the template name, as usual, it's gonna be form.html, and then there will be the model in question, which is movie, of course, and then there will be the form class, which is the form that we have defined, so movie form, and then there will be, so movie form is this one, yes, as you know. So I can just like collapse this here and collapse this one here. So this is the movie form, okay. And then success URL. So if everything is good, success URL. I want you to go back to the first page maybe. So URLs here to the index. Why not? So reverse index. Okay, this looks good. So what can we do? We can add like if the form is invalid for some reason, we will write something wrong. So we do the same. Like we can just like copy this code. So here, and here I can just paste it. So if the form is invalid, we put a warning message saying that invalid form, and then user provided invalid data during update of the movie. Okay, and it returns like superb.form invalid form, so we get the same form. Okay, let's try that. So but wait, to do this I would need to do a little more work. So we need here to, like we had create, we will need something called update. So Control D. So I made a new line here. So movie slash update, and then I need to update. I need the normally I should always have a slash here. It's like, I mean, some people say it's not necessary, but I like to have it. So here like the variable would be the pk. The pk means the primary key, and here it would be like movie update view and movie create movie update. Let's call it movie update. Okay, and so here movie update view. All right, and I would need to add something to work with this. So let's have the comma here. So let me see how the website looks right now. And now we come here. So I have home, new movie, but I cannot, like, I don't have the update. I could do it like from here, but that's not fun. So let's go to the index.html or movie.html in this case, and we will add something here. So let's add a button. Why not? We call it it's going to be an A tag. Yes, thank you. And here I would say update. Okay, and then here it would take me to URL, and the URL is called no, it's called it's called movie update. Yeah, that's the name of the URL. And then the variable would be the movie.id or movie.pk, no problem. And then I can close this. Now I need one more thing here before I close it, is to close the squiggly bracket. Now it's closed. Alright, so I think this is what I need. Let's see if this is working or not. You come here, hold the movies. I have an update button now. Very good. So let's choose some movie, for example, the Green Mile. Alright, and I'll just like add here. Oh no. What should I add? Hello from Green Mile. Okay, just like Green Mile. And then I will write here some like wrong data. I don't know, put like some A's, and then let's see what happens if I try to. Yeah, normally this should be update movie, not create, not add movie. But anyway, let's see. Okay, invalid form, and then tells me here the error is like you didn't put a valid date. So let's put a valid date. So 25, and movie. Okay. It looks like it's good. Let's see. Alright, and even if I have corrected the description, because we had that clean description like I showed in the last video. So this is good. Now we have the update. We can do the same work with the delete, and then we could do something similar also with the movies view. Okay, let's do the same thing with, so we have the same thing with the delete. We can do it, and where is it? Okay, I'm a bit lost, sorry. So informs, yes. So we have the create view. Okay, this is the update view, and the delete. So we do the same thing with the delete view, and then we will do all right. Okay. Okay, delete. Let's do the delete view, and then we do after that the read view. So for the delete view, we will start again. Let's start with the URL this time. So url.py, and here I would add a line, and then Control D to duplicate this line. So I would say delete, yes, and then after delete I would use the PK, and then here movies update view as view, and then movie. So here it would be like movie delete view. We'll define it later. Delete view, and here we say movie delete. So here I would like import a movie delete view. Now we will go and define it. So let's go here to the view.py, and we define class movie delete view. Okay, this will inherit from a class called delete view. course. Yes, thank you. And then here delete view. All right, so good. And let me check something. FDT. Okay, it's not here. That's weird. And then so after that I would like to, for the delete view to work, I would just like have a template name. So it's gonna be template name as usual, but this time it's gonna not going to be form, it's going to be something else. It's movie confirm delete. So like a template that asks you to confirm if you want to delete the movie. Movie confirm delete. Okay, and .html, and then the model is the movie, of course, and then the success URL. Let's take me back to reverse lazy to index. Okay, index will work just fine. And then we go and we create this movie confirm delete. So we will do that here in the templates. So come on, new HTML file, movie confirm delete. That's it, and I can add it to Git, no problem. So here let's go to, so what's happening here, line 40, I don't know, I will care about that later. So we do an extend as usual, extends base HTML .html, and then what happens, we define the block content, what we will have in the block content. So we will have something inside the block content. We will see soon. So and block here, and normally Django should be able to do these things automatically. So form, we have a form. All right, the action, the method would be post. Method post. Thank you. And inside the form, I need to add this srf CSRF token, so cross-site reference forgery token. And then after that we can have a P, and inside this P I will say, are you sure you want to delete the movie? And then here I would put the title of the movie, so movie dot title. So movie dot title, automatically here we know that delete view is talking about the movie, because it comes from this model movie. So you can either use movie dot title or you can use object dot title. So in my case I will use movie dot title now, because this one is like for the movie. And then from database, okay, as a sentence. And so here there's an input, a button, so the type is submit, the value is submit, so that's what you will see, submit. And then class is like some CSS bootstrapping, so it's button danger, it will be red, so like button danger. So let's see how this will look like. Oh, we're not done yet. I need to add one more thing, is in the movie HTML. So here I'm gonna add a small dash, and then I will add another a href. Okay, what the hell is happening? Okay, it went back to the line on its own, not bad. I'm just gonna copy this, don't feel like writing the whole thing again. Okay, give me the same code, and here it will be movie delete. Okay, so let's see if this is gonna work or not. And here we are, and done. Okay, so it didn't work for whatever reason. So let's go back to our code here, because I didn't put here the word delete. Delete. Okay, so let's check now, and shift F5. Alright, now we have the word delete, so let's delete some movie. Which one is gonna be the victim? Maybe this Die Hard. Okay, so when I click on it, oh, movie confirmed delete does not exist. Are you joking? Yeah, it does not exist. Of course not. I need to come back to here. It's actually the viewer / movie confirmed delete. So it's here inside the folder viewer in the templates. So viewer / movie confirmed delete. So let's try again. And Die Hard. Oh, now we're talking. So here it's submit. It could have been delete if I wanted. So let's remove this one. Okay, goodbye. And let's make this one, instead of submit, we will say delete here. I don't like the submit. So delete. And then let's go back to our code, to our page. So here, if I click on Titanic, I never liked Titanic, so delete. Done. Alright, okay, good riddance. So one more thing to add is the movie detail view. I wonder how we missed that. I'm really surprised. Let's just get inspired from some work I did before. Oh my god, so close this. Thank you. And open this one. Thank you. So inside the viewer, inside the views, I will need this thing. What the hell happened here? So yeah, so we'll do a movie detail view. Okay, and we will work with it. So here I will come back to the views.py. So now that the delete view is working, we can go and do a detail and movie detail view. So class movie detail view. Okay, and then here it will be detail view. So this is like for the read, and of course the detail view come from the same package as those. So detail view, and inside detail view we need two things. The first thing we need is the template name, which is gonna be viewer / movie details, and I'm gonna like .html, so I'm gonna like make this file soon, and then there will be model is actually the movie. That's as easy as that. Okay, so now what do I need? I need to create that movie detail view. So here I will create a new HTML file. No, I need the template movie details. So we call it movie details, and so I will add this to Git, no problem. And movie details, so we'll just like get inspired from some work I did before. So nothing too surprising here. So let's do this. I'm gonna just copy some code because it's too much typing. So block extend base HTML, so it's very extending. So the block content as usual, and then we have the end of the block in the end, no problem. So the first two lines I want to have is the movie. The first line is the movie.title, the second line is the movie.released, and the third line is the movie.genre. Okay, and then I want to have the rating of the movie, so we can do it in a paragraph, why not? So see the rating of the movie. So strong and rating, and then the movie, no problem. And then we can have another paragraph. So maybe I like to do paragraphs like this. So I will have another paragraph after that. It will be like the movie description. Okay, there you go. So movie description, and then we have to the end block. All right. So one thing I need to add is the URL.py. Where is it? It's here. Okay, I need to add this movie detail view. And here in the path we can add movie slash details. Yeah, why not? Slash pk. I don't know why I keep forgetting that slash in the end. So let's add it here. Let's also add it here. So let me see something quickly. Yeah, why not? Movie slash dj slash pk. Okay, and then I will make it. So so movie detail view dot as view. Okay, and then the name would be movie details. All right, that was a bad name. Okay, and yeah, we need this. Come on. And now what else I need is let me check. Yeah, I need to go back to the movies.html, and I can add one thing here. So why not? So just like add those. They will appear in the same line, even though they are on many lines here. So another A, and it will be here. We can call it like view. Why not? And here we can do url.py, Control C, and then here Control V. All right, and then here movie details. Okay, that's the name of the view in question. So let's see if the code will work. So reload. Okay, now I have, I forgot something. I forgot this dash here, so it like makes it look a little better. So let's try again. And where is the website? It's here. So okay, now it looks a little better, not that good. So view, voila. So Fight Club, April 19, action, the rating is 8, and you do not talk about it. Okay, that's not too bad. It doesn't look very fancy, but at least the functionalities are working. So we have implemented the view, the update and the delete, and we have used for that the model form. So that's pretty good. And then yeah, so that's what you need to know. So model form is a form that inherits from this model form class, and then in the class meta you can just like say what model you are using and what fields you are using. And then here, if you want to modify the fields a little, you can just like override them here. And then if you have some clean like code, like you can do it here. So that's that, pretty good. And yeah, until next time. So let me stop this recording.